Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and now I'm going to make the English version. Okay, these are the expansion packs that I really loved. I used WordWall, this website, and that I really loved, that you can make things and stuff, games like that. So I use it here with the expansion packs. I ordered them up and I'm going to choose from 1 till 11 what's my best expansion packs. Okay, and basically I loved all of them, you guys, but yeah, we're choosing from 1 to 11. Don't forget to subscribe and like and follow and share my video with all these people who need some help in choosing the expansion pack that is right for them. Okay, thank you very much for growing our channel. I really appreciate it from my heart. Thank you. And now we're going to start, and by choosing number 1, the one that I was confused by, Cottage Living, the new one, and Island Living. I still love Island Living. It's my number 1, you guys. Well, I love the beach. I love the world. I love the going and diving and the dolphins and jet skiing and all the activities in the island there. So I really loved it. It's still my number 1. And it's just, the world is too perfect. You know how you can group up together and clean up the beach and make it look beautiful. And there's sand castles, and I love going on the boats. And this is one of my fun things, is going on the boats. So too bad we don't have diving as Sims 3. This was like, I was really sad in that part, that we can't really see inside the ocean. But it's really a wonderful world, and it's still my number 1 expansion pack. So yeah, it's just beautiful, and the clothes are adorable, and there's like new recipes and how it looks beautiful, it's adorable, you guys. And there's like activities, you can do and meet new locals and stuff. And yeah, and there's like spirits too that comes with it, like new kind of spirits and stuff. And look, she's a mermaid. They just found out. So this is my number 1. And number 2 is going to be, of course, our new expansion pack, Cottage Living. This one, I still haven't played with it, but I know it's going to be in the top because of all the cute animals we're going to be raising and be friends with. As you see, we get bunnies everywhere, you guys, and the world is adorable. And you can be friends like couple bunnies, and there's like swimming spots also, and the world is adorable, the buildings, and this lady here we get, and the land, and cows and llamas, and you can even make your own pond now. So yeah, it's so adorable. Also, there are new vegetables that we can grow, and the cool thing is they can grow so big. I love the llama. I mean, I was so happy. I knew llamas was coming because in Sims 4, the base game, they had a llama in it. The first trailer, I remember a llama, you guys. So I was sure about that, and I'm so happy we finally got this llama, and it looks so adorable, you guys. And foxes are trying to eat our rabbits and chickens, so yeah. And we have these adorable little chicks that can hatch in your hand, and milking the cows, and we have different colors of cows too. And kids are joining to cook. Finally, now we can cook with our kids and go on picnics. And yeah, who knows? I guess, there's like little markets everywhere that you can sell your produce, the things that you produced, the things that you've grown, and you can also go in contests and see which vegetable is bigger or cooler, Look at that tiny carrot. Nope, the big pumpkin wins, you guys. And I loved playing with the birds and the chicken. I'm kind of worried about. He's going to be beating us up, isn't he? So as you see, it's adorable. This had to win my number 2. Okay, I mean, feed your souls and your chickens and play with life. And the cool thing, if you order it from now, you get these 3 things that comes, with it. But later on, after September 2nd, then I think you'll lose out. So it's your chance now to order it soon. So my third expansion pack, that one, of course, it has to be seasons, you guys. I mean, we all love seasons. It's like an important pack we need in our game. You know, we have to have rain, snow, and fall, and right, in the summer. And each season is different. Like the weather, it changes and everything. It's just adorable in the game. There's different activities for each season also. And there's like, they have like a calendar where you can make like occasions. You can make a birthday occasion, wedding occasion, party, or graduation, or anything you like, any kind of party you guys want to go. Yeah, there's skating, and there's rollerblading. That you saw that. And just look how it changes. It's so adorable. You can celebrate all different kinds of Thanksgiving and Christmas and all different kinds of stuff you guys like. And you can make up your own if you like. And there's honey. There's a lot of harvests. Of course, we got a lot of, planting stuff like that. Yeah, so it's number 3 for me. It's like a must. These are like one of the musts. Okay. And the cool thing, you can always change it as you like later on too, if you like. And who knows, you might get some powers as he did. Yeah, that's cool. So, my friends, now we're going to expansion number 4. I loved Snowy Escape. I did. I loved the world a lot. I loved the mountain climbing. I loved the snowboarding. I loved all these activities. And the world as a China, it's adorable. The builds and everything. The new clothes, and just the activities doing this stuff. It's fun, and I loved having to see the telefreak, even though we go on it, but you can't like see your sim inside it. But he goes on it at least, and you see that trainer by. It's fun, you guys. I wish we can travel here, for real life. So since I can't do that right now, at least I can play the game and have fun and go on top of the mountain. I don't have to feel in real life the cold. I can just play it in the game. It's fun. It makes you feel like you're actually in it, kind of. Okay? And there's also sightseeing where you see all this beautiful natures and trees and stuff. And there are like creatures you might see too on your way. So it's really nice, you guys. And the builds are adorable. The nature stuff. So you guys, check it out if you love nature. I encourage you. This is my 4th expansion pack. Okay? Yeah. And now we're going to our 5th expansion pack. And of course, it's going to be a Get to Work. Get to Work is so important to me because of all the jobs they offer. That you can go with them. You're there. As a doctor, as a scientist, as that police officer over there, he's a detective. And also you can also open your own business as you please. I played a lot with the doctor job. I really loved the doctor job. You can have babies and stuff, and you get leveled up and stuff. It's so much fun. And being a detective and figuring out who killed who and who did that, Yeah, having like a real prison there. This is new stuff, you guys. Okay, I loved it. In Sims 3, yes, we did have active games, but Sims 4, they went like really into it. It was fun. I really loved them. And I love Sims 3, so don't get me wrong there. I loved all of them. Each pack was cool, And there's different machines that you can make things with, create things, and I loved open business. This is like a must for me. You can open any kind of business you like. Toys, clothes, food, bakery. Well, let's get to our expansion pack number 6. I loved Get Together. Why? Well, because we get together. You can have groups, as many as you like around. A couple people in one group, and then you can make another group and have a lot of people, and you can do different activities as you want. You have so many activities that you can pick, and there's even dislikes that you don't want to do. So yeah, you can go to a pond, go to a pool, go to make a party. It can be great for weddings and stuff. And even for kids. Even kids can do groups, you guys. You can have like going to a playground or, and study time or drawing time or activity time or playing outside or going fishing, with your friends and camping outside. It's fun, you guys. I love this pack. I do. I love just to think about it, having a group. And also the world is adorable. Yeah, I love the world, you guys. It's beautiful. So it's a thumbs up for me, you guys. You can choose like a lot and you can like gather there, or you can do it at your home. You can even change it in once in a while. You can do what you like. Don't we all like having groups up and doing together? Even ghosts too. You can even have like a special clothes that you want your group to wear. You can make like a movie or something to all of you guys together. It's cool. I love it. Yeah. We can even dance together if you like. Yeah. So let's get to 7. Expansion pack. I am going for cats and dogs. Yes, I was so sad we didn't get horses in this pack. But who knows, maybe hopefully in the future they will bring a special pack for the horses, because we love them and they know we love them. So maybe they just want a specific with it, so they brought us the cats and dogs by themselves. But it is beautiful. The world also was adorable. The furniture I loved, and just the animations of the dogs and the cats, and they're so cute. And being a vegetarian, you can open your own little place there, and you can treat the animals there that you are sick. That's fun too. And also looking at the little tiny babies of the kittens and the little doggies. They're super cute. You can the colors of the animals are so pretty too. There's like so many different kind of types of dogs and stuff like that you can choose from, and the colors. They really did good in this pack. By the create the animal, and the world was so adorable. There's like little cute clothes also that comes with it that I really loved, you guys. Yeah. So I do encourage you, if you guys like animals and taking care of them and stuff like that. And now we're going to go to the other pack that we really love, number 8. It's going to be City Living. Yep. 8 is our City Living, you guys. Don't get me wrong, I loved all these packs. I play with all of them. Okay, but I'm just showing you guys from 1 to 11. So this one, and don't forget there's a big sale. There's a big sale, you guys, in Origin. Okay, let's get to this. I love the world. Again, I love the world. It's adorable. It's like you're living on top of the building, you guys. And the view from your window, it's so beautiful. All the lights and everything, and trains going by. And there's a new activity. And of course, having apartments is cool. And each apartment is different. It's different. And there's like traits for each apartment, like in the house you have traits, also in the apartments. It's so much fun to build in little small spaces, you guys. So this is so cool. Look at that. Look at that time. And of course, there are festivals that you can go visit and have fun, So I really encourage you guys, if you like cities. It's so much fun to go out and sing yourself out. Yeah, you can meet a lot of friends over and watch fireworks so up there. Look at that. Fireworks. I'm sorry, not fireworks. Yeah, fireworks. Enjoy. Now for our 9th is going to be Eco Lifestyle. I did like this game a lot because of the activities we can do. The world is not that pretty. It's not that beautiful. At first, it's like basically a lot of dirty and stuff. It's new things to do, and it's nice because it makes us live poor at first. Basically, you can, and you live like in the junkyard and stuff like that, and you just can recycle stuff and create cool things with it and make candles. And there's also like juicy things that you can drink, make. There's a lot of cool things you can do with this pack, actually, if you love to create and use your hands. And of course, if you vote and you take care of your world and do more voting, and then your world will be much better. As you see, it changes. You can have a garden, you can have an activity place where you make things. And they have these little creatures it's kind of cute too. It helps you, with recycling, I guess, energy you can use that for. And I love this machine here. You can make a lot of cool things with that. I've used a lot. I also got a link below down that shows some of my videos I made for the Tinker family if you guys like to check them out. And also I'm going putting links below of each pack and what I liked the best, okay, of each pack. So yeah, that's Eco Lifestyle. And number 10 is going to be Discover University. I did like it, but I guess I just didn't play with it that much. It just, yeah, I like it. It just, maybe I don't like them sitting and studying a lot. You just basically have to go study and go to classes and stuff like that. I do like it of the bikes, and the world is adorable. You can choose like different kind of colleges. But I will hopefully do a series about it, okay? And then, we can figure it out more. But it is still going to be from the end because I still love the other packs more. So there's robots, as you see. Yeah. And they have like new gameplay to it, as you see, I guess. She's here trying to make her feel better about herself, You can have no friends and making new activities and stuff, enjoying a couple groups, I guess. So yeah, it's cool. Nice. You can create nice memories in college lives, as real life. Yep. And yeah, and of course you gain a lot of skills while you're going through it. Will help a lot with your job later on. Yeah. So we're coming to our last pack. Is going to be Get Famous, and this one, it was my last. Well, basically it's like you're being famous, and it was nice. I did like it. It's okay. I mean, it's nice, but it's not better than the other ones I loved. So basically it's just you being famous, and from start to the top. And it's what I loved about is that there's different sections that you can make different like acts you can do, and yeah, it's fun. It was nice. I tried it out. It was cool. But hopefully also I'll make a series about it and continue it. Okay. I mean, look at all these different kind of acts you can create. It's cool. Yeah. And then finally she's all famous, and she's like that rich woman there. Everybody's clapping for her and wants her autograph. Well, you guys, I really thank you guys for watching. And so this is my 1 to 11, my best expansion packs, and I will have a link below hopefully, and for my game pack and stuff pack and kits, so check them out. Don't forget to subscribe and like and follow me and share with your friends. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Bye bye.